Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Polkadot daily update. We are going to see the next price targets as Polkadot is rising. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. You get easy profits with an automated and manual system. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. You will also get educational videos, personal guidance to become expert in the technical analysis, or market updates to know exactly where are we, and many more benefits. I am waiting for you, and of course you can join the Telegram group chat as well. I have the link in the description down below. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Let's go right now to the main support and next targets for Polkadot. So you can see that we hold the 33. Okay, we had a huge buying pressure, and I do not think that on this 4-hour frame we will close below the 33. Even if we go beyond, then we will go to the 32, 34.34. We will discuss furthermore in the price analysis section. Right now we have 40.55, 43 around there, and of course the 44 as our next target. We will analyze how possible it is to go there. Okay, and of course we have some lower support levels that we do not want to talk about right now, but in case you want to share my opinion, you want me to share my opinion, I can say that it is hard to go to the 30, but even if we get there, it is not never, it will be a little bit bearish for Polkadot. Okay, so right now you can see that we had huge volume, huge selling pressure right here as Bitcoin went down. It didn't let us go above the 38. You can see the huge sell pressure, and then we went a little bit downwards due to the fact that Bitcoin had a little bit of a correction on the short term. You can see that on the MACD we are looking pretty good. We are making higher lows, higher highs on the MACD on the 4-hour frame, and therefore we want to keep having these higher lows, higher highs for Polkadot. Let's go to the risk metrics, and of course on the 4-hour frame to see the 20-day EMA. Now we have a bullish recross between the 20-day EMA and the EMA. We went beyond the 50-day EMA for quite so much. You can see here, it almost looks like we are not going further upwards. Okay, but at the same time we found the strength and we went upwards. Let's see the 4-hour frame. On the 4-hour frame, this happened because we had higher lows on the RSI. You can see that higher lows on the RSI, and we keep having them. We want to still have the higher lows. For now, we had a very overbought situation on the stochastic RSI, and now we are just a little bit correcting. Even we can go even beyond the 20. Okay, and the stochastic RSI as an indicator, it helps us on identifying the bottoms on an impulsive wave. For now, as you can see, DOT is in an impulsive wave, and it continues to be in an impulsive wave. You can see here that we didn't lose, even though that we went so further down, we didn't lose our momentum and went even higher. Okay, we went against Bitcoin, and right now what we need to do is, if we see the oversold situation on the 4-hour frame on the stochastic RSI, this is a good entry opportunity for the DOT. Okay, so let's go right now to the DOT USDT, but on the daily frame, and here you will see the reason why we weren't bearish, because we did not close beyond the 50-day EMA. In case we close down from the 50-day EMA, then this will be probably the end on the daily frame. However, this is not the case for now. Let's open a little bit the SSL HYBRID, and you can see that we had a clear buying opportunity right there. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see. I will close the 20-day and the 50-day EMA, and you can see that we had this blue arrow. This means a buying opportunity. The red is a selling one, and of course we had a minimized risk because we were above this line here and it turned blue. When we go above, we have a blue line. When we go down, a purple line, as you can see here, red, purple. Okay, red actually. So we have a red line and the blue line, and then we went upwards, and of course we do not hold any selling opportunity according to the SSL HYBRID. Okay, so you can see that we had an oversold situation on the stochastic RSI on the daily frame, and now we can grow even more. We do not hold any overbought situation on any risk metric. Okay, even the commodity channel index, which is very sensitive to the price action, remains below the 100, which is the top. Okay, so it remains above, and now it has gone a little bit down from the 100. It is looking very good. The RSI as well on the daily frame, as you can see though, is getting a bearish RSI divergence, so you should always keep that in mind. While we are going upwards, it gets bearish, but at the same time, this doesn't mean that we have surely a bearish RSI divergence. Here we might have an uptrend and we might go even above the previous high. This will mean a very bullish scenario for the DOT, okay, on the daily frame. So let's go to the DOT Bitcoin chart. Here you can see that we are starting to outperform Bitcoin again. You can see that we stopped at the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, drawing the Fib from the bottom to the top, so you can find major support levels. Next price target is the 0.308990, around there. Of course, we have the 92, the 95, and as you can see, the 97, around there. So even if we drop down here as well on the 0.618, it is not looking bearish. For now, we are very good. The stochastic RSI, as you can see, is in an overbought situation right here, so it is very likely that we might not be getting upwards. However, we have 3 out of 3 risk metrics in an overbought situation, and of course it will be healthy. Even if we go down to the 0.618, do not worry about that. Okay, do not worry about that. Let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we have, according to the SSL HYBRID, a buying opportunity for DOT Bitcoin chart. Very good. You can see here the RSI is above the 70. It is above the 100 for the commodity channel index, as well. And of course, we have the stochastic RSI going into an overbought situation, not there yet on the daily frame. Okay. So let's go now to the price analysis. You can see here what we have. Okay, what are we having, and we will see how possible it is to go to the next price targets, the 40, and of course a little bit higher, the 41, 42, around there. So what we will do now is to draw another Fib retracement, starting from this top, ending up to the current top we had back on 13 September today. Okay, and you can see that we minimize the risk when we go above the 36. I will delete this one right here, we do not need that, and we are having actually a very minimized risk if we close above the 36 to 37 Tether USD. But for now, it seems like the most probable scenario is to go even higher to the 40, the 42, and the 43 Tether USD we have as our next price targets. Okay, it is very possible to have that. And of course, the only problem right here is the Bitcoin. Okay, if Bitcoin decides to crash down, then we might be losing some important support levels. For DOT right now, it is looking very good, as we are outperforming Bitcoin. I will go to one more chart, the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. You can see lower highs, higher lows. We are getting into a squeeze point. It is never 50-50 to go up, 50-50 to go down. For now, on the weekly frame, if we go there, you will see that Ethereum had a little bit of a bearish action right there, but not so much bearish candlestick pattern. Okay, I believe we can continue to be growing upwards on the weekly frame, and on the daily frame we are below the 20 on the stochastic RSI. So I do believe that more of the chances we have is to break above right now. Okay, the more chances we have is to break above for Ethereum Bitcoin chart, and therefore it will help Ethereum to grow and other altcoins that follow the Ethereum trend. Okay, but DOT right now is more dependable on the Bitcoin chart, and of course now we need Bitcoin not to crash down, not to go even further down, to hold the 44,000 Tether USD, which is a very important support level. Let's draw for Bitcoin one Fib to see where are we, starting from this bottom right here, ending up to this top. So we are going there to here. Okay, and we are on the 0.382, the 44,000 around there. Very strong support level, as you can see here. We are finding huge buying pressure, and we hope that maybe we can hold for a little while the 44,000 Tether USD, so we can let DOT go upwards into our next price targets. If we close down from the 31, then we have the 30 Tether USD, and if we close down from the 30, then we are going down to the 28 in case we have a crash. So yes, we have a little bit of an overwhelming risk because of Bitcoin. Okay, the risk though is lower on getting down than on getting upwards. Okay, I believe that we have more chances of going upwards into the next price targets for DOT. All right, so before we close the video, please join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below, and of course hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.